In this video, we're gonna learn how to fix App Store login problem. If you're experiencing login problem on your App Store, then it can be frustrating to not access your account or make purchases. Here are some troubleshooting methods you can follow to fix the App Store login issues. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to an internet. Ensure that you have the stable and working internet connection. You can connect to a Wi-Fi network or enable mobile data and try accessing other websites or app to confirm that your internet is working. The next thing to do is to verify your credentials. If you are trying to log into your App Store, then you'll need to type in your Apple ID and password. Make sure to type in your Apple ID correct and then type in your password correct as well on the next field. If you don't remember your password, then you can tap on this "Forgot your Apple ID or password" link beneath the sign in button and follow through the password reset process. After typing in your password correct, tap on the sign in button. Once you have the correct credentials, you'll be able to log in or fix your login problem on App Store. If you're still not being able to log in, then the next thing to do is to update your device. If you're using an outdated software version for your iPhone, then it can sometimes cause login problems. So simply go and tap Open Settings app from your app drawer and then tap on General. Tap the software update button and then check if there is any updates available. If there is, tap on the download and install button and download the latest software for your iOS device. If you're connected to any VPN or proxy, make sure to disable that, since these services can interfere with the login process sometimes. So those were some of the fixes you could follow if you're experiencing login problems with App Store. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.